Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta where we will be discussing question.
For two blocks connected by a cord and sliding down the incline shown in figure sense 534, see problem 20, describe the motion A. If and B, if determine a formula for the acceleration of each block and the tension Ft in the cord in terms of MA, MB, and interpret your results in light of your answers to A and B. Correct answer is A. If MA equal MB, both blocks will have the same acceleration and the tension in the cord will be the same for both blocks B. If MA, MB, the block with mass MA will have a greater acceleration than the block with mass MB, and the tension in the cord will be higher for the block with mass MA. C. Formula for acceleration: A equal frac ma minus m b g sin theta ma plus mb. Formula for tension in the cord: T equal m ag sin theta minus m a. Interpretation: the acceleration of each block depends on the difference in masses and the total mass of the system. The tension in the cord increases with the mass of block K and the difference in masses. These results align with the observation in parts A and B, where the acceleration and tension vary based on the masses of the blocks.
So that was our today's correct answer to question. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. I will be answering your question soon. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next question. Bye bye.